How to set up Google Alerts for personalized content. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to stay updated on topics you care about without constantly searching for them? In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Google Alerts in 2024 for personalized content. So let's get started. First, go to google.com/alerts. This is Google's free tool to send you email notifications whenever new content about your chosen topic appears online. Type in a topic, name, or keyword you want to track. For example, if you want updates about AI technology, simply type it into the search bar. Next, customize your alert. Click the Show Options drop down to adjust settings like frequency, where you choose as it happens daily or weekly. Sources, select specific types of content like new, blogs, or videos. And for reason, focus on a particular country like US. Now for language, pick your preferred language and once done, click Create Alert. To manage or edit your alerts, scroll down to the My Alert section. Here you can update, pause, or delete any alert you have created. And that's how easy it is to set up Google Alerts for personalized content in 2024. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.